Have you ever tried to enhance your workflow with Draw.io, only to find yourself wondering about plugins? It can be a bit confusing, right? If you're looking to enable plugins in the Chrome app version of Draw.io, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to do just that. I totally get it. It's frustrating when you know there are extra features available online, but you can't access them in the app. You're not alone in this. Many users have faced the same question. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked, is there a way to enable a plugin using the Chrome app for Draw.io? They mentioned how easy it is to do this in the online version, but they're stuck with the app. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the deal with plugins in the Chrome app? Unlike the online version, the Chrome app has some limitations when it comes to enabling plugins directly through URLs. But don't worry, we'll explore some workarounds. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you maximize your use of Draw.io, whether you're on the app or the web version. To enable plugins in the Draw.io Chrome app, the user should first open the app and navigate to the Settings menu. This is typically found in the top right corner of the interface. Next, the user needs to look for the option labeled Plugins or Add-ons within the Settings menu. This is where they can manage their plugins. After finding the Plugins section, the user can enter the URL of the desired plugin. For example, they can use the URL format similar to https://draw.io plugin ID, where plugin ID is the specific identifier for the plugin they want to enable. Once the user has entered the plugin URL, they should save the changes and restart the Draw.io app. This will allow the new plugin to be loaded and ready for use. Finally, the user can verify that the plugin is enabled by checking the plugins list again or looking for new features in the app interface. Fun fact, did you know that Draw.io was originally called Diagrams.net? It's come a long way since then, and it keeps getting better. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. In response to the question about enabling plugins in the Draw.io Chrome app, the user states that it's not possible. They explain that while plugins can be accessed in the online version under Extras, this option is absent in both the offline and Chrome app versions. The user also lists several functionalities that are missing in the offline version, such as access to cloud services, online help, and certain features like PlantUML text data and templates. They suggest that these limitations may be due to caching issues with multiple plugins. Finally, they encourage users to submit a feature request for plugin support in the Chrome app. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your Draw.io app updated. New features and improvements are regularly added, which might include better plugin support in the future. And there you have it. While the Chrome app may not support plugins in the same way as the online version, there are still ways to enhance your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Draw.io effectively